everybody, it's Christina, Maggie's sister. I'm here to share with you guys my latest purchase from Hermès. Actually, I got this from a reseller in Canada through eBay. I was really hesitant, but the seller had an excellent reputation and there was no way I was going to be able to get this scarf through the boutique. I contacted my SA and she said, oh my gosh, that colorway for this design sold out immediately. So if you can get it anywhere near retail, go ahead and get it. So I took her advice. I jumped on it and this is the scarf. Isn't it gorgeous? It's called Space Derby and it comes 7 different colorways. But this one is the one that sold out immediately. It's in this jaune vif, I think is the yellow color. That's the SKU code. And it is just stunning. The colors are all so super vibrant, so happy and cheerful. And it's basically a cartoon or comic book kind of stylization of a space age race or a derby race. And I just love the colors, particularly in this colorway with the yellow background. There you can see the name of the scarf, Space Derby. And this corner, this lower right corner is the part that just totally sold me. If you wear that with that corner, facing the front, the ombre color effect of this particular colorway, I just thought was stunning. And one thing in particular about this line of scarves that Hugo Bienvenu designed is that all the hand-rolled edges have multiple colors. And this one in particular, I felt like the rainbow color effect was just so happy and cheerful. I normally go for really kind of sedate, neutral colors. And I thought, just a white outfit or a black outfit or any one color outfit, monochromatic color outfit, was going to look stunning with this. And I'm just checking all the rolled edges, making sure there's no pop stitches or fraying or snags or anything. But I'm showing you a close-up here. Isn't that gorgeous? And I can also, when wearing this, show my support for all of my LGBTQ friends. I absolutely adore this scarf, and I got it just a little bit over retail, which I am loath to do, but I missed it in the boutique and this was the only way I was going to do it. So anyway, that's it for my share. I hope you enjoyed it. I am in love with this scarf. I'm so happy I was able to get it. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day.